Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the personalization section. Here then tap on the always on display, and now we can here switch the display options. So we can switch the always on display from all days to schedule time. From the you can set here the start and the end time, or also we can use it all only on the power saving mode. Here we can also switch the information on the always on display, so we can turn on or turn off the notifications from different applications, from the battery status, date, and also the time. Also here we can select one from the temps. For example, we can set here the custom pattern, so we can switch here the color. For example, just paint something here. We can switch also the shape of the pattern, for example this one. Now let's change the color again and the shape, so we can just here for example hard reset. Okay, so let's tap here to OK, and now we can also switch the time and date color here, and we can apply it. Now we can see here our custom temp here, and we just set it successfully, as you can see. Also we can set here just available. We can also here use the text and image from our device photos, for example, and we can set the custom system temps, for example the digital clocks, the different types of the clocks here. Also we can change the text color here if you want the analog clocks, the different images, for example this one, or the bubbles here. We can also switch the time, click down to apply, and now we can see also the new time of our always on display feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.